good morning, y'all. It's about 4:40 in the morning, 4:41 a.m. Kenny's supposed to be here at 5:30-ish to fish. So I need to get up. So I need to get up and get my coffee in me. I'm gonna make some biscuits and gravy quick and wake up and get ready. Be ready to go. Can I get my teeth brushed, all that shit? Oh yeah, let's make some breakfast. Get ready to fish. Biscuits and gravy. Buttermilk biscuits and gravy. Oh, how much water do I need? 1.5 cups. 12 ounces of water. I'm gonna get this rolling. So I got a Starbucks double shot coffee, original flavor. Let's start to get warm. It's definitely no dunking. There we go, we're boiling. Well, I'm not going to put you guys through eating all the breakfast here, I guess. I've eaten plenty of those on the channel. They're good. If you haven't had them, try them. Give them a shot, I guess. But I'm going to get my breakfast shoved in me, get my teeth brushed, etc. And then I'm going to get headed over to the boat ramp, so I'm there on time. I'll get back to you guys once we get to the ramp and meet up with Kenny and get to fishing. So stay tuned, guys. This should be a good one. I'm sitting over here at the boat ramp now. As you guys can see, the sun's starting to come up. I'm getting some of the biscuits and gravy ate up. I closed this up once I got it cooked and just ran over here. I mean, I don't need to rig my rods or anything. I don't have anything special I need to do. I'm just waiting for Kenny. He's probably 15 minutes away at most, so I'm just trying to get some breakfast shoved into me. Kind of watching the sunrise over that direction. As you can see, there's actually campgrounds right up here, and then window's kind of fogged up, but there's the lake. It was over there. So I'm gonna keep shoving this breakfast down, get as much of it in me as I can. So anyways, just waiting on Kenny. Where you at, Kenny? Dave, you got that down to a science.
Right.
All right, guys, we're Kenny's got the boat in, so everybody, this is Kenny. Kenny, this is everybody.
Hey, everybody.
So yeah, he's got a fancy boat. I wasn't even sure, like I said, that if he was bringing a boat or not. So this will be the first deep V I'm on this year, and I'm actually pretty happy about it because everything else I've been on has been, you know, bass boats, and really I think they've all been fiberglass. And I've kind of been looking at V's as far as getting something, and it looks like, what is this? Starcraft Starfish 176. So I'm assuming it's a 17-foot boat. So it'll be nice to see what this feels like on the water. And I guess we're gonna get loaded up here. This is nice. Every boat I've been on for like the last year or so has been a bass boat.
Yeah.
And I've actually been looking at V's, like, I don't know, there's more room in them.
So much more versatile.
Yeah, you you can take them in bigger water, so I don't know.
I watched this video the other day, dude, on a bass boat in big water. It was like he was on like Tahoe or something like that, but he was on big water, big chop, and he's just running plane, and he fucking hits his fucking wake, dude, and just comes down, swamps the whole fucking boat. And I'm like, oh my god, I'd shit myself.
Sketchy.
Yeah, what do? You start bailing, you know? Hope you got a bucket.
Mm-hmm. What'll this do? Like 30, 35?
40.
40?
40 before I smoked the prop. Now I got the backup prop on, so.
What you run into some rocks?
No, I was down in Missouri. I was down in Maryville on Mazingo.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
Just hit some timber.
Oh shit.
Standing tree. Didn't see it.
Yeah, that'll do it.
I was in the river channel and just smoked
it. All right, guys, we made it to the first spot. We're over here on the dam, fishing off the dam, and we're marking some fish.
I'm not really impressed just yet.
Damn, chuck that son of a bitch right into the rocks. Don't get stuck. I can't have a fish on, can I? Yeah? What the hell? Tiny little bass guy. He was sitting right on the rocks.
Right on the rocks, right?
Right on the rocks. He must have hit that thing as soon as it hit the water. That's a big meal for you, buddy. Big breakfast.
Yeah.
He's warm, very warm. Well, there we go, guys. Tiny little one to start out the day, but we hit one and we haven't even been out here 10 minutes, so I can't complain about that. He hammered a 6-cent speed glide, bluegill color, and he was sitting right up in there in the rocks. I actually casted this thing up and hit the rocks, and as soon as I started to retrieve it, he was there. So he must have hammered that thing as soon as it hit the water. Toss him back. I was like, damn, I snagged it on something. Yeah, he was right on the fucking rocks. Come out and play, motherfucker. It doesn't look terrible. A couple feet.
Oh, you got it all, huh?
I got one. Oh, it's a big one. I got the salad.
There we go.
There we go. Kenny's on, guys. That's bigger than the one I caught. Hell, we're both on the board. That's all that matters. White and chartreuse spinnerbait.
Yeah, a little something like that. Little guy.
Not too bad. Well, we're finding them. Now let's see if we can find a size class. It's a bit bigger. Hell, no skunk. That's good.
No skunk. I'll go for that shit.
All right, guys, I hooked up. I didn't have you guys turned on. We were kind of moving around and hit one.
You got a pig.
Little lipless. That doesn't seem, oh damn, that's not bad. That's not bad at all.
Come on, little piggy.
Come on, bud. That's a good fish.
Yeah, told you they're in here.
Oh damn, that's a good one. Hell yeah, boy.
Let's go fish.
That's a good one.
Let's go fish, Bryce.
Running it right over a brush pile out there. All right, guys. Hooked into one, little 2-pounder. It's kind of cool. He's got a dark spot on his side. I haven't caught a bass with a spot like that, and he's got a little one on the bottom of his tail. It's kind of surprising. That's the second fish for me this morning. I was rolling it over. We found a brush pile out here just off the bank. Rolled it over that, and he hammered it. These fish are really warm, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool spots on his side there. We're gonna go ahead and get this guy released. See if we can hook into another one. Stay tuned, guys. Oh yeah, not a bad morning so far.
He drug you around too.
A little bit. I mean, this is not a very heavy, I guess it's a medium. It's kind of a soft medium. I didn't want it to get stuck, so I cast it out, and I counted to 8. Let it drop for 8 seconds and started reeling it in. Figured maybe a foot a second to drop, so it's in the middle of the water column. I think he was probably hanging off that brush pile though. Mm-hmm. There we go. On again. He hammered it. Get over here, buddy.
Come on, little buddy.
Oh, he's a good one too. Damn. Hell yeah. Hammered it. Slow rolling that thing back in.
Good
Damn,
fish.
Look at his mouth. He's jacked up.
Yeah,
he's been
caught a couple times.
Caught a few times. Looked bigger in the water, but
yeah,
not a bad one, guys.
good fish.
Yep.
You get him right up on the rock?
Oh, maybe halfway between here and the rocks. So, nailed another one, guys. A little bit smaller than the last one, but that's the 3rd fish of the morning for me, so I'm pretty happy with that. This dude has definitely been caught a few times. You can see by his lip has been torn out, but we're gonna go ahead and toss him back in. These guys are real warm, but they're playing this morning. That's all I can ask for. Send them back in over here. Thanks for playing.
We're playing.
And he hit on a chatterbait, white chatterbait. I couldn't tell you the model of this. It's the one with the swing head. It's done well for me this year so far. So we're gonna keep throwing it. Hell yeah.
You know Kevin Workman?
I don't know him personally.
No. He's my neighbor.
I'm friends with him on Facebook.
Yeah. He's big into kayak fishing.
Yeah, I mean,
Neighbor.
I enjoy kayak fishing, but I would never spend the money on one of those pedal drive yaks. It's boat money.
He has he's sponsored by Quady.
Yeah.
He gets a brand new one every year.
Yeah.
Whatever their newest, latest, greatest model is. That's part of the sponsorship deal.
When am I going to get sponsored by Woodhouse so I get that new truck every year?
Right. Get 1,000 subscribers to talk.
I'll drive it around with your guys' name plastered on the side. I mean, for the right company, it wouldn't be a bad idea because I'm all over the fucking state. And,
Right.
you know, I do out-of-state shit, but I don't think Woodhouse needs my help.
Have you fished tournaments yet?
No, I haven't. I'd like to, but you know, I don't have a boat, so there we go. Right as we're talking about it.
Yeah. That same spot, man.
Yeah, I'm putting the hammer on him. That's a good one. Ooh, there we go, bud. They're all kind of the same size, but they're not bad size fish by any means. He tapped it a couple times and I said it to him.
Yeah, it's in there.
Very nice. Very nice, guys. That's number 4? Number 4 for me. With the one Kenny got, we'd have a bag for a tournament, I guess.
Yeah.
So we're competing. Damn, his lip's jacked up on one side too. Either of these guys get caught on a regular basis or they must. I mean, there's a good population of these dudes in here. So there we go, got another one. We're gonna go ahead and send this guy back down into the water. Thanks for playing, bud. And he's out of here. Yeah, same kind of
fucking spot.
Same spot, same bait. This one has been on fire for me this year. So it's kind of weedy where we're at right now. So this one does great because you can run it weedless. I don't know if I'll go back to using regular chatterbaits after this. That was a nice one. All right, guys, as you can see, we're off the water. It's awesome to get out here and hang out with Kenny. We haven't, I mean, I've seen him a few times in the last few years, but we haven't hung out in a long time.
It's been a minute.
And for us to be out here doing this right now, if you guys knew the story, you would I don't know. You would appreciate how we're out here doing this together.
Yeah.
It's pretty crazy. It was really awesome to get out on this boat. Everything I've been out on has been like Mod V or fiberglass bass boats. And so to be able to get out on a deep V has been really nice since I'm in the market for a boat. It's kind of changed my opinions on what I'm potentially gonna get. So that was really cool, and you got a great deal on this thing. So it was awesome to get out here. We caught a few fish. I think I got 4. You got
1?
No, you get
one.
Just one.
One.
He's like I was the last few videos. I couldn't catch nothing. So it was great to get out here. It was a good lake. We went out to that other spot and we tried to fish off some deep structure for a while.
Marked a ton of fish.
Yeah.
Just nothing was biting.
No, we couldn't get anything. I mean, the grass were lit up, but sun's high in the sky, clear skies, it's warming up. So it was understandable why they weren't hitting. So we just decided to call it. And we've both got things that we need to get done this afternoon. I'm headed to the Ozarks in the morning, and Kenny's got to go deal with some work issues. So it was cool to get out here.
Love them.
Yeah. But that's about it, guys. So make sure to stay tuned for the next video. It'll be down in the Ozarks. So we're going to have a nice adventure down there. There'll be a few videos from that, and I hope you guys enjoy them. So stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.
Adios.